Hey there, I'm Layne Johnson. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to try out another new brush from the Princeton Aspen Short line of brushes. This particular one is the Short Oval Filbert. So what can you do with the Filbert? Well, I bet I can do some clouds with them. So if you want to see more, stick around and I'll show you what this brush can do. I'll be using Maimeri Classico Oil Paints for this demonstration. Okay, I've already blocked in some of this cloud, but I'm adding these highlights now. I'm using a number 12 Short Oval Filbert. Again, this is the Aspen line. These shorts are a new line from Princeton. And Filberts are just one of the best brushes, I think, to work with clouds, work on clouds. And again, you can see this Aspen, it's really good at grabbing a lot of paint. You can get a nice edge to cut in things. At the same time, you can very softly pull away highlights in this cloud. It's very versatile. Speed this up a little bit. My kitty cat's meowing over here. He's always making commentary on my painting. I'm pulling down these highlights. As you can see, you can use every part of this brush. Switching to number 4 Short Oval Filbert. These are all preliminary highlights that I am adding to this cloud to mold it after I've blocked in some of the big shapes. I will come back again with this brush later in the painting to actually finish up these highlights, making sure they're as strong as they need to be, and or if there are some that are too strong, I can knock them down. You can see the edges that this brush is just ideal for. I mean, you can use round brushes to do clouds. You can use, others, brights that work well with clouds, but I just think Filberts are just well suited because of their shape. And this is a short Filbert, so that works great. It works really good because this is a cumulonimbus cloud, basically a storm cloud, but I've used Aspens before on different kinds of clouds and they work really good because they have the ability to soften and also give you an edge when you need it. As I'm moving forward in this painting, I'll gradually begin covering up the underpainting, and I will let that imprimatura, that first layer, in this case it was a burnt sienna, in places you'll see it coming through a little bit, and it'll work with the other colors to create a certain type of luminosity. Let's speed up a little bit. As I was using the larger Short Oval Filbert on the cloud earlier, this time I've gone down in size to number 4. So it's to give you the ability to lay in these little details of these cloud shapes. And I just love painting clouds. A lot of control with this brush too. Again, it blends well. Makes painting fun. Okay. Blending on up. Speeding this up a little bit. So as you can see, these Aspen Short Filberts are a real pleasure to paint with. I have to say, I really love them. I'm a cloud guy, and they're a great brush. Hey, that was a lot of fun painting with this brush. Make sure you join me for the next video where I'll be demonstrating another Aspen Short brush made by Princeton.